good, my Sally. Welcome to my shop. Yes, we have a lot for you, your health, and then after you give birth. So we have a BP apparatus, good for the whole family, 200 cedis. We have a glucometer, 300 cedis to test your sugar. We also have a fetal Doppler. So this is a fetal Doppler to check baby's heartbeat, and it's 250 cedis. We also have a postpartum kit. After you give birth, you need to heal properly. Yes, we also have a first aid kit for your kids at home and for your cars. Yes, I have a thermometer. Thermometer is 40 cedis. We have the wearable breast pump, electric, and this is 350 cedis. We have a lot to offer you. So please, if you need any of these things, just take our numbers and call us. What are you waiting for? Yes, make sure that your family is safe and is healthy. And if you are going to have a postpartum, you need to really enjoy it and have it well. Okay, so we have this, we have the seat bowl. So we have everything that you need to make a postpartum enjoyable. Call us. That's our number on the screen. Bye.